Hey, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color something super cute and fun, an adorable umbrella with a sweet personality. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's get started. Start with a big half circle. This will be the main part of the umbrella that keeps us dry from the rain. Now, let's make our umbrella even more special by adding some small half circles along the edge of the big one. These little curves will connect the ends of our big half circle. Next, let's draw some curved lines inside the big half circle. These lines will be the sections of our umbrella. Doesn't it look like a real umbrella now? Our umbrella needs a handle so we can hold it. Draw a straight line coming down from the middle of the half circle and then add a little hook shape on top. Now, let's give our umbrella some personality. Draw two big, cute eyes on the umbrella and add a little smiling mouth underneath. Our umbrella is starting to look super adorable. To make our umbrella even cuter, let's draw two small ears on top of the half circle. One on each side, like this. Now our umbrella looks like it's ready to play in the rain. Let's make it even more awesome by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will make our drawing stand out and pop off the page. Wow, our umbrella is looking amazing. You're doing a fantastic job. And now for the fun part, coloring. We're going to use bright and beautiful colors to make our umbrella super colorful. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Red color.
La da 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 dee.
Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Indigo color. Our umbrella looks so cute, but let's make those eyes even cuter by adding some final touches. Look at that! Our cute umbrella is all done, and it looks absolutely adorable. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join us again for more fun art projects. See you next time, little artists! Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.